morning, beauties. Before I begin the video, I just want to tell you that my beautiful friend Natalie, the beauty diva, is uploading this Wednesday morning also with me. And I want to tell you why I call her Lana. You might see me saying, "Hi Lana," in the comments, and the reason is she reminds me of Lana Turner. What do you think? Today, I'm going to show you some of my neck and my gadgets for the skin, my tools, and also I have a product by Bioiqua that is going to blow your mind. It's an amazing new product and I think you're going to like it. So let's begin the show. Are you ready to talk about the neck? Let's talk about the neck. My biggest battle is the neck. I seem to be able to keep wrinkles at bay, most of them, and keep the jaw a little at bay because of retin-A. So this year I am really going to try to conquer the neck. I'm going to be showing you all my tools, all my gadgets, all my tricks and tips for the face and the neck. Because whatever I use on the face, I use on the neck. Now we know that retin-A works for the face. We know that retin-A firms your jowls, lifts your brows. I mean, it's a proven fact in my life anyway. Since I've been using that, everything has stayed at bay. Everything has stayed the same. Nothing has gotten worse. The challenge I'm having is the neck. So here I have this one new product I'm going to try. It's a sleeping mask. And it is sticky and rubbery, and it goes like this. So I guess it's good for keeping your neck and your jaw from sagging. Gravity is pulling on it all day, and so this will help for a few hours not to pull it. So I guess any help is better than nothing, right? So there you go. Then we have Dr. NASSIFS Deco Lift Neck Firming Complex Serum. I don't think there is any smell, but look at that. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous, thick cream. Ooh, it's beautiful. Next we have the NECKLINE Slimmer. It has a spring inside it, and each spring gives a different amount of tension. And with this, you go like this here, and that's how you exercise your neck. So you lay that here. NECKLINE Slimmer. These are my other hammocks, my chin hammocks that aren't silicone. Now this one has a padding, and then you put it around here. This goes around your ears, and then the rest gets velcroed in the back. And this is an anti-gravity device. The same with this. I know it looks like a bra, but it's not. I think it goes like this. And then, yeah, and then it gets tightened in the back. And by the neck, and then by the jaw. That's another hammock. Next we have this, and I have a whole video on this. This is a lifting stick, and I plan on doing another demo of this. It's a cream that pulls up your skin and holds it there. This is for another video. Have I tempted you? This is my big makeup case of all my face gadgets. Yeah. I have to say that years ago, companies just started sending me anti-wrinkle devices. I said, oh, do I look that bad? How come they're sending it to me? I guess I was in the right age range. This is the box that the Bioiqua comes in. This is a wild one. I've never seen anything like this before. You have a book of directions. Now, this product can be used only with water-based creams and serums.
I'm going to insert a clip right here to help you understand what this machine is all about. It's got pulse, cold ion stream, contactless, painless application, energize skin cell, restore collagen elasticity, accelerate dermal absorption, regain cellular revitalization, increase blood circulation, maximize cellular oxygenation, speed up rejuvenation, boost cellular hydration, firming, lifting, tightening, restore natural radiance.
Now, isn't that wild? This is a plasma tank. This is, ooh, it's starting. Okay, in order to turn it on, you have to press this metal and this metal. Actually not press it, just place your hands on it and it will start. Now listen to that. Can you hear that? This will go on for 1 minute and it shuts off. Then you press it again. Now, there is cold ion air coming out of this. And a treatment is to not touch your skin, but to move it around, and you could do your eyes. If you want a spot treat, you just hold it for 3 minutes. Otherwise, you go around. It shuts off after a minute in case you want to treat, like, say, your forehead for a whole minute. So you just keep staying on it until it shuts off. And then you press it again and you start in another area. Now, of course, you're going to do this with no makeup on. Okay, so you're going to go on your neck. I have these 2 lines and a lot of sagging. I'm working on it. Do you hear it? Okay, now it's shut. And now place it close to your skin without touching your skin. Treat various spots as you like. It also comes with this little brush to clean the area. Amazing, very sturdy gadget. I'm telling you, it is heavy. Now, this never has to be replaced. The science behind Energizer, the unique pulsed cold iron generated from plasma used, causes the fibrous tissue in the skin to contract and tighten, thus generating immediate improvement and tightening of the skin, and fibroblasts are responsible for the synthesis of collagen. This then boosts the generation of new collagen, locking the skin in its tighter form for a smoother and firmer, more contoured shape, texture, and appearance. Now, I have nothing on my neck except a little water-based serum. The Energizer is designed for everyday use. It feels like a cold stream in the first minute, then feel lukewarm on your skin in the second minute, and then feel tightness and lukewarm in the third minute. Eyelashes and eyebrows growing, skin pore refining within 1 week, no redness, no burn, no high temperature, no hyperpigment issue. Increased blood flow means more oxygen-rich blood is brought to the surface of the skin. Oxygen facials are said to help improve blood circulation to the face, which can help skin look bright and plump. It is also good for acne and kills any bacteria. This is the first in a series of products that I'm going to be showing you through my videos. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you stick with me. I have lots of high-tech, inexpensive, and expensive gadgets for you to choose from. I hope you enjoy this whole series, and I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great night and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you.
Next video is NYX long-lasting Shine Loud lipsticks. So stay tuned.